Hey Sixers, you've come to a very special time. It's story time with Mr. Fox. Today we're going to tell a fantastic story. It's called The Kingdom of A107, a fairy tale. For those of you who do not know, A107 is actually my room number. So, get your favorite snack, sit back, and enjoy. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a classroom with a devastatingly handsome, and I mean handsome, but ruthless king. His name was King Brian the Awesome. He made his students do homework, read, write, take assessments. He sounds horrible. And look at those eyes. Haunting. The students, as you may have guessed, were very unhappy. Look how unhappy they are. So they decided to do something about it. They decided to rebel against King Brian the Awesome, and the students were finally free. Look how sad he is, and that crown's way too big for his head. But there were still some questions that remained. First, how will the students govern themselves? All right, now all of a sudden there's no king anymore. Who's going to run the place? Will they create a strong central government where only a few representatives will make decisions for everyone? Or will the students want individual classes to have more power than this central government? Here is what you're going to do right now. On Schoology, I set up a discussion for you guys to answer this question. First, you're going to tell me which type of government you would prefer from the choices that I just mentioned. So a big, strong central government that basically has power over everyone, or, again, individual classes will run it more as opposed to this big, strong central government. Then, I want you to write at least one sentence telling me why you made this choice. As you are thinking about it, think about the British and the American people. And think about when the Americans broke away from the king, all right, and what their thoughts were. And think about their experiences under the king and which way they may want to go on this. Finally, I want you to respond to two other classmates' choices. Why do you agree or disagree with them? Whenever we do discussions, I really want to emphasize this. We are always respectful of other people's opinions. So even if you disagree in a respectful manner. All right, I will always expect for you to be respectful. I will expect for you to be respectful of one another. I can talk very well. All right, that is it. All right, you know what you need to do, and I am looking forward to seeing your responses. Have a great day.